Those are what's in Multifunction Tester Tc1. You see, you have a tester itself. You can turn it on by starting here, and you can either select between testing, battery, and then in the package you have also those cables. You see, you have these 3 cables which you can clip on the part that is used to test electronic part, red, black, and green. Then you have there's a sample tester component, and then the USB that can be used to interface it with a computer or charge it. This is useful in testing transistors, testing batteries, testing some ICs, and so then let's try to test our sample component. Of course, you have the capacitor and a small LED, and I bring the out. So for testing, you take the component, then clip it inside this hole, and then snip it inside like this. Then click start. Then you see that we have the component is diode, and the anode is on 1, then cathode on 2. The pins or the slot in which you inserted the component is labeled. This is 1, this is 2. So hence you know that this is an anode, and then this is a cathode. Let's try with capacitor, which is this. Use different pins, then snap it. Then you see that you have a capacitor where it is electrolytic capacitor, but is not showing which is positive, which lead is positive, which lead is negative. But fortunately for electrolytic capacitors, the pins are labeled. So despite those sample provided in the kit, in the package, you see here I have my own electronic component. One is a transistor TIP3055. Let me try to insert it inside this. There's no need to snap it, it is already hold it tight. Then when I start, then you see that the pin 1 is base, pin 3 is collector, then the pin 2 is emitter. Then it tries to calculate also the transistor gain, maximum IC, and then VBE. I don't know if that is true. Then I have a capacitor which is 470. Let's try to see how accurate is our test. Of course, they advise you to discharge before testing. If your capacitor maybe was in the circuit, you have to first discharge it. Then, of course, electrostatic charge are very bad, and then you can damage your gadget. And try to snap it inside like this. Then try to test. You see that it is showing us 434.2 microfarad from 470 microfarad. It is it's not giving an accurate value. I have seen that this tester is effective on capacitors and resistors. I tried to use it on buzzer. Let me try to insert the buzzer inside and then snap it correctly. Go ahead and test. I know the buzzer is correct, but you see it gives you like an unknown or damaged part. This function tester is suitable for like testing the inductors, the resistors, capacitors, and transistors. I also tried to test the 555 timer if using this gadget. That is a 555 timer, and then you see that it is like confused. It is still calculating, and then with the Zener, which is like incorrect. That's not a Zener, it's a 555 time. So this gadget is effective on only transistors, capacitors, resistors, and the inductors. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful. Please consider subscribe to boost, of course, this channel.